Hello! Second game is this one. It's also called Yes, Ginseng. What a Sweet Life. So this is not about night market snacks, but night market sweet treats. Players needed 2 to 5, game length 10 minutes, learning time 5 minutes, ages 6 plus. And let's open it. And here you can see the cards. First of all, here's a little bit of information about sweet treats you can eat in Taiwan night markets. Some phrases in Chinese might help you to order sweet treats. The ingredients: taro ball, sweet potato ball, red bean, pearl barley, IU jelly, tapioca pearl. All these yummy little sweet treats. Now this one is in English. Also you can learn how to say I want extra ice, I want standard, no ice. Okay, next, 2 cards with reminder of how to play the game. And here we have the manual, the rules. The game is not very difficult. Let me take out the cards. These are the cards, all of them. And then you have these bases, card holders. Everyone gets one, and then goal of the game is to collect cards for your 7 slots in here. So you have images of the cards you need. For example, this one is some kind of papaya ice maybe, and you look for the papaya ice card and then you collect them, and who collects his or her 7 cards first gets the win. So we have 5 bases. Oh, here's a dice. First, every player gets cards, and we have different cards. You have ice cards, you have sugar cube cards, and you have mix cards or shuffle cards, and you have a total of 35 cards with different sweet treats you can order at the night market. And these 35 cards are the ones you have to collect, or 7 of them. And so everyone gets first 6 ice cards, and then everyone gets 1 sugar card. The rest of the cards are shuffled. All the cards are put face down, all the cards. My table is a bit too small. Then the player who starts rolls the dice, and then, okay, let's say it's my turn and I have a 6. I can turn around 6 cards. What I do then is I look on my base and try to see if any of the cards matches my image. There's no such card. And everyone else looks as well, and if you see your card down there, then you know which card you turn when it's your turn. So these are special cards, these 2. When one of them appears, that means you cannot, you have to switch the cards with another card, all of them. I don't know why, just to make it more difficult to remember what card is, I guess. Okay, let's try it again. Again a 6, wow. That's 6 cards, open. Oh yeah, I have the number 5 here. You can see this one looks exactly the same. So I can take this, put it in my number 5 slot, any other card. And then I put one of my cards here to replace the card I have taken. So this goes round. You have to throw the dice and then see if a card is there, and you have to. It's a bit like memory, where you have to memorize where the cards are, so that when it's your turn, you can pick the right card. So let's see what happens when there are 6 ice cards facing up. So in the beginning of the game, there are less ice cards on the table because all the ice cards are in your hand. So the more cards you take from the table, the more ice cards you put on the table. And in the end, later in the game it will happen that there are 6 ice cards face up, and that means the game is frozen. You have to de-ice the game. And then the next player comes and rolls the dice, and he can take, with the number he can take down 2 ice cards or 1 ice card and then check 1 card. If you have sugar cards, like sugar cards, 2 of them, the attack mode is activated. So let's suppose I have 2 sugar cards, then I can ask this guy to give me one of his dessert cards. He has to collect it in exchange for the sugar card. So that increases my chances and decreases his chances, I guess. I think you get the idea. It's a simple game. You just have to collect all the little yummy ice treats you can see in the night market. It's not complicated. What I like about this game, as well as the first one, is how well this is made. I really like the images here on the cards, beautifully designed. The cards feel great in the hand. It's a simple game. I think there's not much strategy here, but I think you can have a lot of fun. Yeah. I will put the information below the video. So if you want to buy a gift for your loved ones at home, you can surprise them with a beautiful tabletop game, and you can play it with your family or your friends and can learn a bit about the Taiwan night market foods. Whenever we get free samples of products or books, we usually do a giveaway. So if you want to get this game or the first one, check out our Facebook page. We are going to do a lucky draw there, and if you write a comment in the comment section, any comment will do, you will enter a lucky draw, and you, if you are lucky, you will get. We will send you one of the games. What else? Nothing else. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Bye bye.